Hi, what's up everyone? MacGuff here. This is just a quick impression of my first mechanical keyboard, the Keychron K2 version 2. I've been using this keyboard for 4 months already, and I can say it is an excellent mechanical keyboard. Before that, let me show you the packaging and stuff inside you can get with this product. Inside, of course, the keyboard itself, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and some extra keycaps so that you can change the keys if you want to switch between Windows and Mac. It also comes with this tool to take out the keys easily if you like. It also has a complete guide on operating this keyboard, which I find very helpful. So I chose the standard white LED version, which is a lot cleaner and elegant than the RGB version. I also like this orange accent escape button, which is very subtle yet attractive. But if you don't like the color, you can completely remove and change the orange key to the gray key. So this keyboard has brown switches, which give tactility, and it has a gentle noise when typing. For me, I love the clicking sound of these brown switches, and it has more key travel than the scissor switch keyboard of my MacBook Pro 16-inch. And the top of the keys has curves, so your fingertips rest well while you are typing. This keyboard is very thick compared to other keyboards, well, because a typical mechanical keyboard has a thick chassis. On the left side of this keyboard are a USB-C charging port, a toggle when switching modes between Mac OS and Windows or iOS to Android, and another toggle to switch between on and off, Bluetooth, and cable. The Keychron has also programmed this keyboard with different light animation. There are many options to choose from by clicking this bulb button. So overall, I really love this keyboard. It has a plain and minimalist design. I love how I use it as my daily hard drive for work and productivity. I think this is the best value you can get for a mechanical keyboard. It is reasonably affordable, unlike other top brands like Apple or Logitech brand. And I think this is the best keyboard option you can get for Mac users. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this quick review video. Just leave a comment below if you have questions about the Keychron keyboard. Follow me on Instagram, click the like button, and subscribe for more. And see you at the next one.